News right now, the prosecution rests its case against Justin Johnson, one of the men charged with the murder of Memphis rapper Young Dolph. After just 3 days of trial, both sides are now preparing for closing arguments. Thank you for joining us. I'm Pepper Baker. Dolph was shot and killed at Makita's Cookies on Airways Boulevard in November of 2021. 24-year-old Justin Johnson, who's also known as Straight Drop, is pleading not guilty to several charges, including first-degree murder. ABC 24's Stephen Pimpo is live at 201 Poplar with the latest. Stephen.
Pepper, thank you. Yeah, just minutes ago, Justin Johnson took the stand just to tell the judge he does not plan to testify in this case. Now, Judge Jennifer Mitchell has ruled the prosecution has presented sufficient evidence that she will deny the requested acquittal by the defense. Now, prosecutors started the day by correcting a piece of earlier video evidence and then moved on to present a massive amount of cell phone data that they use as evidence showing how Johnson's cell phone hit off multiple cell towers in the area of Makita's Cookies right around the time that Young Dolph was killed. Establishing the proper timeline. That's what Deputy District Attorney Paul Hagerman and the prosecution have been trying to do during day 2 and now day 3 in the trial of Justin Straight Drop Johnson, accused of shooting Memphis rapper Young Dolph. Yesterday, they played video of Johnson leaving his apartment, saying it was at 11:51 a.m. the day of the murder, but Hagerman now says it was mistakenly labeled, as the original time codes had to be removed when they edited all videos together. Memphis police officer Mahaj Abdul-Baki, who recovered the video, testified today, and the original video with the proper time code was shown.
The times that we saw were 10:49 to 10:56 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Approximately an hour and a half before the shooting.
Yes, sir.
Johnson's defense attorney Luke Evans questioned Abdul-Baki about how he could be sure the original timestamps were correct.
Because you don't know if the system was rebooted, malfunctioned, something happened.
Then the prosecution called Michael Garner with the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation to the stand. Garner is certified in digital forensics and went over the call detail records for Johnson's cell phone the day of Young Dolph's murder. At 9:56 a.m., Johnson's phone is shown accessing a cell tower near his crosstown apartment. At 12:09 p.m., his phone is shown hitting off a tower just east of the murder scene. Then at 12:22, Johnson's phone hits off a cell tower right in the area of the murder scene. Young Dolph's shooting happened between 12:21 and 12:24 p.m. During cross-examination, Johnson's defense attorney reiterated how these kinds of reports aren't meant to provide exact locations.
When you're saying someone's using and servicing a tower in the area of Makita Cookie at a particular time, that could give or take 3 miles in different directions, obviously.
Absolutely.
Now, court has adjourned for the day, and the last we heard, attorneys were in discussion with Judge Mitchell to review the charges to see if any of them need to be changed. Now, coming up at 6, we'll hear from District Attorney Steve Mulroy on where the trial stands and what he thought of Deputy A. Paul Hagerman's arguments. Live at 201 Poplar, I'm Stephen Pimpo.
All right, Stephen, thank you. And people across the country are watching this case, and you can join them. ABC 24 has live continuing coverage of the trial for Young Dolph's murder. You can watch it in real time on all of our ABC 24 digital platforms, including 24 Plus, Facebook, and YouTube.